Okay, we're back. And so let's tackle the settings now. So settings has a lot of things going on in it. You don't need to change your organization name or your domain name. If you want to test your platform, you can click on this active subdomain. And from here, you get access to the form, which we'll configure in a minute. But if you fill out this form here and hit this and submit, you'll have access to getting a phone call or chat or text message based on what it is that you've selected. So we'll come back to that. So your default country is US. Channel type, do you want to chat or call or both? Great. If you want text message, you need to request a phone number from us, and you can send an email to jm@sentientst.com, and we will set you up with a phone number and make sure it's properly compliant with the new regulations. Lead alert, you can send that to any email address that you want to, and that will get, once a lead gets qualified, you'll get an email with the transcript and the contact information for that individual. The embed code we'll come back to. The follow-up text here, this is what is coming to you coming to your prospect via email and or text message. So you customize whatever the information is. You can get rid of this and say whatever you like, whether it's what's your call to action. Is it sending a Calendly invite? Is it sending a free trial, some kind of coupon or discount? Whatever it is, you put it in here, and that will go out via text or email. Right now we have it at both. So I suggest leaving it at both for the time being, just so they can receive it in both channels and decide what to do with it. The objective here is very important. All right, so the objective is kind of the personality of the bot. So you can click on that little pencil, insert your name. This will be demonstration. And then what you want to do is make sure, read through this, you can change the name. You can say whatever you want in terms of what is the company name and a description of the company, whatever it is that you want to add there. The objective here is to ask questions provided, learn about the caller, and then book a follow-up meeting. So you want to make sure that you have the right objective here at the end, and make sure that the call to action is correct within this. And I'm going to do a whole another section just on building out the objective and what's been working really well. So once you hit edit here, it'll save, and you'll see that it's saved. And very important at the end, when you've done all these setting configuration, make sure you save here at the bottom, and that will lock in everything that you've added in here. And moving on to form config. So this is the information. If you want to, you can put this form on your website just via an iframe. It's very simple to do. And you can select whatever information you want to capture in that form. All right, so uncheck or check something. If I want it to be required, I just click on this button here. I suggest getting first name, phone number, last name, email address at the very minimum. Description is just really, how did you hear about us? A kind of an open text form field that you can capture more information if you want to figure out, attribution for where you're getting your leads from. And then again, make sure you've saved and lead saved successfully. The form is saved successfully. And now if you want to embed this into your website, you can go back up to settings here, get this embed code. This is just a small code snippet that then you can embed as an iframe into your website, and we can always help you with that. Very simple to do as long as you have admin access to your own website.